Computer programs. Computer programs. What is a computer program? What do you think is a computer program? So a computer program is a set of step-by-step instructions. A set of step-by-step instructions. These instructions tell the computer how to do its job. Tell a computer how to do its job. So we are having number one as operating system software. Operating system software. What do you think is operating system software? Remember, we said that a computer program is a set of step-by-step instructions. In addition, we can say these step-by-step instructions guide the computer user on how to work and deal with a computer efficiently. So let's continue. Operating system software. What do you think is an operating system software? What do you think is an operating system software? So let's see. This software works with the operating system. So let's see. It controls how you, the software, you, who is you, the computer user, you, the person now on the computer, you, now the person who is using the computer. Then we have the software. The software is this application you are interacting with on a computer, and the hardware work together. Which is the hardware? This the physical parts of the computer, like for example the cables, the wires, these plastics coverings, all these things we are seeing, the board and the what. So those are the hardware, the physical tangible components of our computer. Then in this we are having examples of operating system softwares. In this case we have Windows. I think you can see it here. Windows, Apple, Android, and Chrome are common operating systems. So you normally hear someone saying, which operating system are you using on your computer? And you hear someone saying, I'm using Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows what? So 11. And actually many people currently are using what we call Windows 11. So using Windows 11, those are different versions of Windows, then, or different types of Windows. Then we are having what we call Apple. So some people work with Apple operating systems. Some people work with Android. We have Android, we have Apple computers, Apple mobile phones, or what we call smartphones. Then Androids and Chrome are common operating systems. Computers and laptops usually use Windows or Apple. So for computers and laptops, mostly they use Windows and Apple. All up. Then cell phones, or what we call mobile phones or smartphones, and tablets usually use Apple, Android, or Chrome softwares. Let us continue. We are having what we call application software. Application software. Remember there, the number one we had operating system. Now let us look at the application software. What do you think is application software? So let's see. Application software. This software is what the computer uses to carry out a job as specified by the user. There are different kinds of application software. So in short, we can say that application software, these are applications, or these are computer programs designed to help a computer user to finish or to accomplish a specific task. So let's see. What are these application softwares? So we have office productivity software. Office productivity software. What are office productivity software? We are having what we call word processing. Word processing is a software that lets you work mostly with text. You can enter, edit, format, and print documents. Microsoft Word is a popular example of word processing software. I think here I don't have to spend a lot of time explaining, because Office, we have actually most of us here who are dealing with computerized things, who are dealing with machines and what's these computer devices. At least we have done document typing, and if we have done document typing, most of us we know what is Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word, or that Office package of Microsoft, is what we call an example of application software. So let's continue. We have spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is also under what? Microsoft. So let us see, what is spreadsheet? Why is it also a software under application softwares? Let's see. Spreadsheet software helps you work with numbers and text too. So spreadsheet, or what we normally many people call Microsoft Excel. Most people call it Microsoft Excel. You can enter, edit, format, print, sort, and do math with spreadsheet software. Microsoft Excel is a popular example of spreadsheet software. So that is spreadsheet. So if you were to learn, if you are to do what, so many people who do calculations, budgetings, who prepare larger sheets and the what's, I know you have tackled Microsoft Excel or spreadsheet, and if you haven't, there are lessons online that you can learn on this platform. You can learn about Microsoft Excel. Let's continue and look at communication softwares. Communication softwares helps you read, write, talk to, and listen to other people. Communication softwares help you read, write, talk to, and listen to other people. Examples are the internet and email. Internet Explorer and Chrome are examples of internet browsers. Browsers help you use the internet. So browsers, in many people normally hear, can't you start your browser? Start your browser. These ones are like the search engines that enable us to work with internet, to access internet, or to access internet services. So examples of these, we have Internet Explorer, Chrome, we have Mozilla Firefox, Safari, etc. All those ones help us in communication. They are termed as communication softwares. Then we are also having what we call educational softwares. What are these educational softwares as forms of or as examples of application softwares? These are computer applications that help people learn. So educational softwares. For example, there are some sites on internet whereby you go and access internet, where you go and do e-learnings. For example, here we have sites about schools, for example, universities, university websites, university pages. All those ones are what we call educational softwares. Then we are having what we call entertainment applications are popular. Many people use applications to listen to music or books. They also use these entertainment applications to play games and watch movies. So we call those ones entertainment applications.